The Kemei all-in-one trimmer. This trimmer can be used for your nose, your ears, your beard, your eyebrows, and to shape your sideburns, your hairline. It's a very good, powerful trimmer. So let's unbox it. Let's cut the tape off from the top. There's an instruction manual in the box. That's your instruction manual to give you a guideline on how to use it, how to clean it. There is multiple languages on this. So this is the trimmer, multiple attachments. This is the trimmer. It comes with a clasp or a cap on the top, a clear cap. The trimmer feels quite heavy, it feels like good quality. So it sounds very powerful. Has a good weight to it, sounds very powerful. Has a good wattage to it. As you can see, on and off switch. This comes with the nose trimmer attachment still on. That's your agitator that's going to spin, allowing your different attachments to work. This is a foil attachment, and as you can see the size of it, this is to give you that close shave, smooth shave on your hairline, your sideburns, in those hard to get places. As you can see, it's small and compact. That sounds very powerful. Once again, this attachment is for your eyebrows, or if you want to thin your beard or your sideburns or your hair to a desired length. It looks like a #1 comb, preferably for eyebrows, to trim down your eyebrows. This last attachment is similar to a T trimmer. It's a T trimming attachment. This is good for your hairline to give you a good boxed sideburns, shape your hairline. Depending on your beard styles, shape your beard as well. A very close, neat shave. One cleaning brush. After every use, it's advised that you clean all your attachments that you've used, clean your machine as well. This will ensure that no dust or dirt or hair is stuck inside of them, and will give you a good shave all the time. So this is the charging cable. It has a USB end, and on the other end is your normal 2-piece 2-pin. So you just plug in the USB on any USB attachment that you have, whether it may be a wall plug, you can charge it on your computer, anywhere where it has a USB supporting outlet. So this is the nose trimmer attachment that it comes with. So let's put that back on there. And there you have it, guys. This is your Kemei all-in-one trimmer. Very powerful, definitely worth it.